Hello everyone. Welcome to the last session for importance of promotion in interior designing. So first, let me tell you why and how do we have to promote your design first. So doing an interior designing is one aspect. The second aspect is how you promote your designing. Now, when you do an interior designing, you give your design to your complete project into your client's hands, and that's done. So, but if you have to, increase your client base, or you have to communicate with a larger audience, if you want your innovative work or your critical thinking has to be known by a larger audience, promotion plays a very, very important role in designing. So it is a platform that will, get you a larger client base, or it will communicate your message to the potential customers. So they will understand what your area of expertise is, so whenever they require, they will approach you at a faster rate. So that's how promotion plays a very important role whenever you talk about interior designing. So effectively, it displays what you want your audience to know about your company or design. So it is a very good platform which will tell you how effectively you will have to, display your ideas for a larger audience. So that is why promotion plays a very important role. And there is a saying by Steve Jobs, which is my inspiration for a particular slide of this particular area. Is he said, design is not just what it looks like and feels like. Design is how it works. So look and feel of a particular interior designing is just one aspect of what you do, but the major aspect that caters to is how it works. So whenever you're designing a particular space or a particular product, how well it goes into the audience, or how well is it catering to the need of a client or the end user, that is the major aspect, because by that, it will tell you how critically you have thought of, or how innovatively you have thought of that particular product or an interior designing space. So that is why promotion plays a very important role when we talk about interior design. Now, we have different types of platforms or different types of social media platforms that are available these days. But what is the proper channel, or how do you have to promote your design in a proper way? And there are certain steps like set up WordPress website. Here in this particular website, you can create your own portfolios so that you can connect well with the larger audience. Then get real emails. Now you will have to create an email with your certain company's name or your area of expertise, so that whenever anyone sees your email, they get well connected with your area of expertise, so that it becomes, there are larger chances of contacting you at a larger or a faster rate. So that is why real emails play a very important role. Then ask reviews. It's always good to ask reviews from your side, because designing is one aspect. Asking reviews and getting positive and negative comments about your design plays a very important role, so that in the next upcoming designs you can do better than what is actually done at this particular stage. So that is why reviews play a very important role, and it's always good to take in a positive note. Next, virtual staging. Here you can get to know different types of interior designers, their works, on how they have thought about a particular problem, and how innovatively they have thought, and what is actually lacking, so that you can design in a more innovative way. So that is why virtual staging plays a very important role. Selecting the proper typefaces, size and style is crucial to develop your brand identity. So whenever you're designing a brand, or representing your own interior space, size, style of a font plays a very important role. So that's how you can make it more eye catchy of the audience. So that's how you can draw larger audience with your portfolios. or with the style of how you're designing it. So that plays a very important role. Next thing is cater to user experience. So whenever you're designing your brand or designing your own banner or your own identity for your particular interior space or any type of area of architecture or designing, it caters to user experience. So you will have to first think about what a user, what are the positive aspects of using your particular space. So whenever you're designing an banner or for that instance your portfolio or any type of blog that is designed for your particular for your own project. So you will have to think about few aspects. First thing, you will have to give them the outlook of your project, how it looks on a larger perspective. Next thing, you will have to create your brand there. You will have to highlight your brand there. Next thing is you will have to cater to the user experiences. Now you will have to explain that if you use this particular space, these are the benefits that can be experienced by the user. So that's how you can catch a larger audience. You can make it more practical. So your design becomes more practical when you talk in terms of user experiences. So that makes your design more viable, your design more catchy for the audience, and that's how you can gather a larger audience. So that is one the major aspect whenever you promote your design. Next thing is updating with the latest apps. Now, there are n number of interior designing apps which are available these days. So it's always good as an interior designer to update with the latest apps that are available these days. So that is one thing, and it's always good to put your designing on good platforms like Facebook or Instagram or Pinterest and ArcDaily or different types of softwares, where social media platforms where you can promote your design on a better note. So that is why and how promotion of your design plays a very important role. Okay, so next we'll talk about DH21. DH21 is a excellent one-stop destiny platform to learn the design thinking process and apply to find a solution to a problem. So you're basically given a problem and you're asked for an innovative solution within a given time. So it will help you in design thinking process. It will help you in critical thinking on how well you can achieve a particular solution with a research base, a proper research base. So it helps to develop design aptitude through cross-learning opportunities and create awareness on design thinking and design doing. So these two aspects play a very important role whenever you're designing. Now we'll see a quick glimpse of what are the benefits of DH21. One is growth attitude. Your attitude towards a design will grow, and that is first thing. Second thing is your critical thinking and skills will enhance. Your critical thinking will enhance by doing such problems. Next is empathy, that is understanding, how well you can understand, how quick you can understand the problem. Whenever you're given a problem, now architecture or interior designing is a vast subject. In that you have different types of problems. Now how well you cater to that particular problem plays a very important role. So understanding from a user perspective is the major thing that you need to do. Next thing is risk taking. So whenever you do any kind of interior designing space or whenever you design a space, risk taking plays a very important role. So the better the risk you take, better you understand about the failure and success. So now that is how risk taking plays a very important role. Embracing failure, you will have to accept failure. Always not success happens whenever you design. Even failures plays a very important role so that the next designs that you do will be the best out of it. Then team collaboration. So whenever you're collaborating with someone or whenever you're designing something, team collaboration plays a very important role where you will have to integrate with different types of teams to get a better design. So that's how team collaboration plays a very important role. Then research skills is what you will learn in such kind of platform. So research skills will improve. So there are so many platforms. So this particular platform will tell you how effectively you can research things or how well you can cater to a particular problem. Now presentation skills would be enhanced and enriched. So your presentation skills now, I'll tell you one thing. Interior doing designing a space is one part. how you promote or how you present your skills or how well you can communicate to the larger audience plays a very important role whenever you're designing anything or in any product or any kind of space. So this particular platform will surely help you in enhancing and enriching your presentation skills. So that's how DH21 is the right platform basically to analyze your likes, your dislikes, your fears or your confusions by giving you clarity over numerous aspects in the field of architecture and other creative fields of designing. So it will tell it is basically a guiding path for your career. So by this, I would like to conclude my speech. Thank you one and all for listening to my presentation. Thank you.